Hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial My Study IQ. Today we are going to create a very famous snack game. So first, for creating a snack game, we have create a costume like Speed First. So you have to go to the costume and create a costume like this, and after that you have to go to the code window and write the code for Speed First. So first I'm going to insert when I'm clicked and use forever block, and inside forever block I'm going to use if condition. The first if conditions tell the when I'm going to press up arrow, the snack move in upside, and second if conditions tell us when I'm going to press down arrow, to snack move into downside. And next this if conditions tells when I'm going to press right arrow, the snack move into the right directions. And if I am going to press left arrow, snack move left directions. Next, again I am going to write the code for scoring. So this is the score. When the snack touches the apple, it will get 1 point. So when I am going to click, it will show. What show? It will show the score. The show variables score. If the snack touches the apples, it will get 1 point score. Next, by default I have to set the by default score is 0. Next I am going to set point direction 0, because when it will score 0, point direction will be 0, and the direction of the apples, so the direction of the snack, it will move to the direction of 0 and 9. So 0, x-axis 0 and y-axis 0. And inside we have to use forever block, and in forever block we have to use 10 steps, and after that we have to use if condition. In if condition, when I am going to touch the east, means when the snack touches the east positions, what will happen? So what? It will show score and hide scores. And broadcast a score means if it will touch this point, it will get 1 point score. After that it will broadcast score 2.1. Next I am going to write the code for second speeds. So this is the second speeds. You have to make another speeds like this. You have to make the rectangles box inside here, and you have to color whatever you want, and go to the code window, and I am going to write the code for the second speeds. When I am going to click this, use forever block and go to the speed number 1. It means whenever we run, the speed number first will be display, and it will wait 0.01 second and create a clone of myself. Means it will create a clone of myself, means speed of first. Next I am going to write the code. When I am clicked, it will show what show? It will show go to the back drop down and layer 1. Layer 1 means it will show the speed number first. Next, when I receive a clone, it will wait score 5 seconds and it will delete this speeds. Means whatever the score getted by the clones, it will delete all the clones. After that I am going to write the code for what will happen when the game is over. When I receive game over, hide and stop all. Means the coding and the program of this snack will be stopped. Next I am going to write the code for apple. When I am going to click and set size into 5%, means the size of the ball will be 5%, and use forever block, and inside forever block I am going to use if condition. If I am going to touch the speed number first, what will happen? Change score 1 point. And x axis and y axis, this is the position of random pickers. So this is the position of particular app. Whenever it will score 1, according to the when you have to click on the speed number first, it will show the x axis direction, and this is the y axis direction. Okay, so next I am going to run this program. So this is the game. Whenever you have to touch the ball, it will move left. Again I am going to run this. So you have to, whenever you touch the ball, it will increase the size of. So this is the game. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.